yes! Definitely gonna be needing this again. And good news, guys, I did manage to, fix this. I know it may still look a little messed up, but hey, at least I managed to fix it before it was completely destroyed. So, hey, we got the hat back. And I might be wearing this in every episode with the celebration of fall. Hope you don't mind. Hello. Yes, welcome back to Backyard Videos. Today is Sunday, September 20th, 2020. Oh my god. Now that's funny. It's the 20th of September in 2020. That is well, that's nothing special. That's just kind of funny. Alright, heading into our workshop. Well, mine to be exact. Oh my god! It's almost been a week and these already fell down. Okay, that's something. I did not see that coming. And whoa, what the heck happened to... Oh, okay. Oh, okay, thank god the logo still lives. Because that would have been so freaking sad. That would have been real sad if the logo just, if the logo just, literally, like, faded away. That would have been really sad, because I've only had that logo for, like, 2 weeks. Almost free. At least on Friday it will be. Let's put that one back up. Okay. And as for the other one, let's put that right back up where the blue ones are. And we should be all good to go. There we go. It's pretty much back to the way it was before. Hopefully. Also, it is much easier for me to get out here now. For me to get out of this room. Oh, yeah. The reason why the other shirt isn't here is because it's in my room. And for some reason, I don't know why, but this shirt's been out here ever since the first day. I know, that may be seeming very weird. Should definitely not do that, because that would ruin this shirt for life. And also, yesterday, it went all day without raining. However, I have a fear that today, judging by the wind I hear, it's most likely going to rain today. Oh yeah, I already hear the wind. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I already can. It's clearly going to rain today. Yeah. Oh, by the way, you're probably wondering what time it is just because of what the daylight is. It is currently 5:19 p.m. in the afternoon. So, we'll make a fall project once we hit fall in 2 days. Yep, we'll make a fall project once fall comes in like 2 days. For now, what the heck happened to the interference with all the items? Better have not... Okay, good. I am glad it wasn't flooded in one of these. They really, really, really need to empty out both of those. Seriously. Those look horrible. I'm trying to see. Is the bin down here? No, I'm talking about the thing with all the items. Where did it go? Yeah, these were the seashells from like January, 8 months ago. Jeez. It seems like ages since I got those, but no, it's only been like 8 months. I have oh my god. Can you guys hear the wind? Oh god, that's crazy. Oh yeah, there's Lucy. Okay. Don't know what she wants, but oh well. Maybe she'll want something eventually. Let's put this back up since it's supposed to be up until Friday, the 25th. Yep, the 25th is when this event ends. Yep, all the fall stuff is still here. Let's see if anything actually got torn down yet. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's already torn down. But judging by the wind, it's probably going to get completely gone. It's basically probably going to be gone entirely by the time this is over. Okay, making sure. Is this stuff okay? Yep, it is. Okay. Yeah, we're only on like the 3rd day out of 7. Yeah, we're only on day 3 out of 7 for this thing. So, because it doesn't end till Friday. And today is Sunday. So we still got like 5 more days of this. That also including today, obviously. Hold on one sec. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the wind. Lucy. I actually have no idea what to say to you. Maybe you can come with me. Yeah, why didn't you come with me? Yeah, let's do something. You want to come with me? Okay. Whoa! Okay, that's weird. This door should close. Oh, there we go. Now it does. Probably because of the wind. That's probably why it wasn't closing at first. But yep. I'm glad we still have all the fall stuff here still, because it's a really, really, really nice event. And also, 2 new items are supposed to be released today, that being the 100 events pin and background. I have still not created them yet, and I might do that after this video. The reason why I don't want to do that now is just because I'm not really interested right now. Wow. Oh my god, both of the bins are gone. Hey, I remember this. I remember this. Yeah, that's from a while back. I have no idea where that came from. Although I do remember using it in one of my videos previously back, I think during the summer. Oh yeah, summer season's about to end in like 2 days. Yep, literally, fall is in literally 2 days. It's literally on September 22nd this year. Like, in 2018 and 2019, it was September 23rd. This year it's back to the 22nd. And I think in 2017 it was also on the 22nd, which is kind of weird because I ended the first ever celebration of fall on that day. Oh well. Well, I didn't realize it at the time. So that's probably why, because I didn't realize it at the time. Okay, seriously, though. Oh yeah, next we have a leaf. Actually, can we even... Oh my god. Hey! We actually got some leaves around here for once. It's only 2 days till fall, and there's already leaves coming around here. Sweet! And that's perfect because, well... Oh my god, I don't... Seriously, can you hear that? Wow, can you guys actually hear the wind? It is insane today. My god. I think it's because fall is coming. Or probably because it's probably gonna rain. Yeah, I'm gonna guess it's probably because it's gonna rain. Is he around here? If I'm not mistaken. Wait 1 second. Is that what I think it is? I need him. Woo! There's a lot going on today. Jeez. Yo. Alright. Yeah, let's go do something together. Okay, let's go back to the episode. Yeah, these guys are still great. I love having them in each episode. And now they're going crazy. Oh well, besides that, what the heck are we able to do now? Oh my god, those guys are crazy. Why the heck is this still here? This should be gone. Wait, hold on 1 sec. They're crazy back there. Oh my god. Look at all this madness that we have done. Okay, what else can we do? Sorry that I'm not doing much in the episode, but there's not really much I can really do. Hold on 1 second. I know this would, and no, we are not doing basketball at least today. I think we'll do it tomorrow. No, wait, I don't think there's even a backyard video tomorrow at all. I don't think, at least. I don't think there's a backyard video tomorrow, as I said in the Sunday vlog earlier today. But I'll go check. Just in case. Whoa. Oh, wait a minute. I remember doing this. Yeah, we did some stuff out here. My God. Yeah, the palm trees are still beautiful around here. And I just still love the way this is all done. Although, I remember last night I was walking out here and I did see a branch. Ah, here's the one I saw. Yeah, I saw one branch when I was walking out here last night. I was just out here walking in the front yard. Like, I guess, I don't know, maybe going maybe on a walk or something. Because why not? I was just bored out of my mind last night. Yeah, I did find this branch that I'm holding right here. I swear, Feather Coater or Lucy come close to it, that wouldn't be good. You guys know how dogs like sticks. Alright, let's go back. Oh my God! Do you see this madness? It is crazy. The wind is crazy today. Jeez. Does it really need to be this bad? Especially how bad this year has been. But no. No, seriously, I still cannot get over how horrible this year has been. That's more like it. What the heck is going on here? What the heck? The wind is absolutely insane today. Although I've seen wind even more crazier than this. What? Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Oh, hey, never mind, I found this. I guess another random stick. Well, that's something. Okay, that hurt. Oh wait, I think I did on the sharp edge of it. Well, that's normally where the hat goes. You know, the one I'm wearing, obviously. Did we have anything else I want to do around here before ending the video? Because I'm probably going to end the video, actually. We are at 12 minutes. I'm probably going to end the video, probably because I'm going to get really bored. What the heck is going on over there? They're crazy. What the heck? Well, they're all gone. Oh. Okay. She's still there. All of a sudden. Well, I don't know how long she's been out there. Probably longer than I have. My God, can you guys hear that? Oh my God, look at the wind. It is insane today. Oh my God. Yeah, I think we're going to be getting a rainstorm later. I definitely guarantee you. Oh yeah, you know what? I think it's about time I bring this shirt back inside. Yeah, it should probably not have been out here for like 2 days. Yeah, I'm bringing that back inside. Because we need to get it washed for the next time I use it. So I'm just going to end the video here. Just because I don't want to go any longer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later for So Is Up To. For the Western Party. I still got to go update that. Oh God, I better not be destroying it again. Oh. Okay, apparently it is. Anyway. Not only that, but you are actually going to be surprised. There's actually going to be a Season 8 episode today. Big with the Season 8 episode 4. Yes, there actually is going to be one today, surprisingly. Goodbye!